The Earth is estimated to be about 4.54 billion years old. This vast expanse of time is divided into aeons, eras, periods, and epochs on the geologic time scale. So what is geologic time scale? So, geologic time scale, it is a system used by a scientist to divide Earth's history into chronological units. It's essentially a calendar for the planet, organized based on major geological or paleontological events. It also provides a framework for understanding the evolution of life, climate, and Earth's surface over billions of years. It is divided into units of time that are ordered from the largest to smallest. It is divided into aeons, which are the largest divisions of time and can span billions of years. The aeons will be divided into eras, which is the second largest section. Eras are divided into periods, and periods are divided into epochs. There are four aeons in the geologic time scale. First is the Hadean Aeon, which is the earliest period of Earth's history, and life was not thought to exist during this time. The period following the Hadean is the Archean, and it is characterized the formation of Earth's crust and the first appearance of life, which is a simple single-cell organism. The third aeon is the Proterozoic Aeon, a long period of Earth's history marked by the rise of oxygen in the atmosphere, the evolution of more complex life forms, and the appearance of multicellular organisms. Lastly, we have the Phanerozoic Aeon, the most recent aeon and characterized by an explosion of diverse life forms, including the rise of animals, plants, and ultimately humans.
Phanerozoic Aeon began from 540 million years ago and is still continuing today. It is divided into three eras, which are Paleozoic era, the past life, Mesozoic era, the middle life, and the Cenozoic era, the present life. The Paleozoic era began 570 million years ago and ended 250 million years ago. It is divided into six periods: the Permian, Carboniferous period, Devonian, Silurian, Ordovician, and Cambrian. For the first time on Earth, organisms had hard parts like shells and exoskeletons. The Paleozoic era is the evolution and development of pteridophytes, amphibians, reptiles, fishes, wing-bearing insects, and trilobites, and etc. Moving on to Mesozoic era, it lasted from 250 million years ago to 65 million years ago. Popularly known as Time of Reptiles, it is divided into three periods, which are Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Dinosaurs, mammals, and gymnosperms appeared in this era. Lastly, the Cenozoic era began from 65 million years ago to present days. It is divided into two periods, which are the Tertiary and Quaternary. Cenozoic era is the development of modern mammals, angiosperms, and human beings.
The Paleozoic era is a major division of geological time that expands from approximately 541 million years ago to 252 million years ago. It is the earliest era within the Phanerozoic Aeon and is characterized by significant geological and biological events. The Paleozoic era witnessed the emergence and diversification of numerous life forms, marking important milestones in the evolutionary history of Earth. The Paleozoic era is divided into six periods. First is the Cambrian period, which spans from approximately 541 to 485.8 million years ago, is known for the Cambrian explosion, a rapid diversification of multicellular life forms. During this period, many major animal groups appeared in the fossil record, including arthropods, mollusks, and chordates. Complex marine ecosystems evolved, and the first evidence of hard-shelled organisms and trace fossils emerged. Second, the Ordovician period began 485.4 million years ago and ended 443.8 million years ago, is characterized by the continued diversification of marine life. Jawless fish and early vertebrates become more prominent, while various marine invertebrates such as brachiopods, trilobites, and corals flourish. The first known land plants and arthropods also appeared during this period. Third is the Silurian period, which lasted from 443.8 million years ago to 419.2 million years ago, witnessed further diversification of marine life and the expansion of early terrestrial ecosystems. Jewfish became more diverse and the first vascular plants evolved. Coral reefs grow in size and complexity, and the first evidence of terrestrial arthropods and insects appeared. Fourth is the Devonian period, from 419 million years ago to 358.9 million years ago, is often referred to as the Age of Fishes. This period saw the diversification of fish, including the emergence of armored fish, lungfish, and early tetrapods. Plants continue to evolve with forests of early trees and the appearance of seed-bearing plants. The first insects and terrestrial vertebrates appeared as life began to transition from water to land. Fifth, the Carboniferous period, which spans from 358.9 million years ago to 298.9 million years ago, is marked by the transformation of extensive coal deposits. Forests of giant ferns, horsetails, and seed plants covered the land, leading to the development of coal swamps ecosystems. Early amphibians thrived in this environment, and early reptiles appeared. In the oceans, marine life continued to diversify, including various types of fish and early sharks. Lastly, the Permian period, which lasted from 298.9 million years ago to 252 million years ago, saw the continued diversification of reptiles and the emergence of early mammal-like reptiles. Insects became more diverse and the forests of gymnosperms conifers dominated the land. However, the Permian period ended with a devastating mass extinction event known as the Permian-Triassic extinction, which eliminated approximately 96% of marine species and has a significant impact on terrestrial life. The Paleozoic era is known for its important evolutionary events, including the emergence of complex life forms, the colonization of land by plants and animals, the development of hard-shelled organisms, and the formation of major fossil fuels deposits. It laid the foundation for subsequent eras in Earth's history.
Today, we are going to discuss the periods of the Mesozoic era, the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. First up is Triassic. So what is the Triassic period? The Triassic period, which spans from approximately 252 to 201 million years ago, is known as the dawn of the dinosaurs for its significant role in the evolution of dinosaurs and other animals. This period follows the Permian extinction, the most severe mass extinction event in Earth's history, which wiped out over 95% of marine species and 75% of terrestrial species. During the early Triassic period, the supercontinent of Pangaea began to break apart, resulting in the formation of the first rift valleys and ocean basins. Following the Triassic period is the Jurassic period. The Jurassic period, which lasted from approximately 201 to 145 million years ago, was characterized by significant changes in the Earth's climate and landscapes. This period marked the continued breakup of the supercontinent Pangaea, as well as the emergence of the first mountain ranges and marine basins. The Jurassic period is also known for the rise of the dinosaurs, which became the dominant land animals during this time. Other animals that appeared during the Jurassic period including the first birds, mammals, and flowering plants. The last period from the Mesozoic era is the Cretaceous period. The Cretaceous period, which lasted from approximately 145 to 66 million years ago, was a time of warm and humid global climate and significant changes in the Earth's biosphere. This period is well known for the extinction of the non-avian dinosaurs at the end of the period, which is thought to have been caused by a massive asteroid impact. During the Cretaceous period, the continents continued to drift apart and new mountain ranges emerged, while marine life, including the first marine mammals and birds, began to evolve. What are Nanavian dinosaurs, you may ask? Nanavian dinosaurs were characterized by their large size and varied morphology, with some species having feathers and others being covered in scaly skin. This group includes a diverse range in species, including the well-known dinosaurs such as Tyrannosaurus rex, Triceratops, and the sauropods.
Cenozoic era is the current and most recent geological era, spanning the last 66 million years of Earth's history. The most prominent feature is the rise of mammals to dominance after the extinction of the dinosaurs. This is also the time where the continents continue to drift towards their present positions. The global climate cooled significantly, leading to ice ages. Flowering plants continued to diversity and dominate terrestrial ecosystems. The Cenozoic era saw the evolution and rise of humans. There are three periods of Cenozoic era: the Paleogene period, the Neogene period, and the Quaternary period. The Paleogene period occurred between 66 to 23 million years ago. The rise of mammals, continental drift, and climate cooling happens in this period. On the other hand, the Neogene period occurred between 23 to 2.6 million years ago. Grassland expansion, hominin evolution, and continued cooling happens in this period. Lastly, the Quaternary period happens between 2.6 million years ago up to present. It involves the human evolution and the modern world. Paleocene epoch is the first epoch of the Paleogene period, lasting from 66 to 56 million years ago. It marks the beginning of the age of mammals, with early forms of many modern mammal groups appearing. Eocene epoch is the second epoch of the Paleogene period, lasting from 56 to 34 million years ago. Significant global warming, leading to the expansion of tropical and subtropical forests. Many modern mammal orders diversified during this time.